Clean air for driver and passengers. Contains soda and carbon to generate fresh breeze air. Enhanced HVAC performance, recommended replacement every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Replacement for FRAM CF10285, replacement for Toyota genuine part number 87139-02020, 87139-02090, 87139-06040, 87139-06080, 87139-07010, 87139-07020, 87139-08030, 87139-0D010, 87139-0D070, 87139-30040, 87139-30070, 87139-47010, 87139-47010, 83, 87139-48020, 87139-50060, 87139-50100, 87139-52020, 87139-52040, 87139-60020, 87139-76010, 87139 is 08, 87139 is 10, 87139 is 16, 87139 is 20. Replacement for Subaru General Motors Jaguar genuine part number 72880A, J000, 72880AJ00A, 72880AL00A, 87139, 52020, SEDNF 29100, SEDNF 29110, 19,184,673, C2S 52338. Top reviews from the United States. Big savings for little effort. After being told at my recent oil change that I would need a cabin air filter and they could put a new one in less than 5 minutes and it will only cost me $59.95 extra, I figured I would do it myself. This quality filter arrived shortly from Amazon, and with help from YouTube videos, I did the job myself in less than 10 minutes and saved myself well over $45.